that makes you want to smile. Let's stop and talk to a stranger for a while. Get it out, scream, cry, or shout, if that's what you have to do. Get in touch with the most important person in the world. That's you. Get in touch with your feelings and you'll know just what you have to do.